Exactly. Yeah, it's going to be a long ride.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Mentally,
Yeah.
physically.
Are you ready?
Spiritually.
You're driving.
Yeah, I'm driving. That would be my longest
Drive ever.
drive ever.
Why are you so far away from me?
Huh?
Oh baby, come closer. I'ma make you dead.
So guys, we are going to watch Arsenal play as well.
Yes.
So I'm actually looking forward to watching Arsenal for the first time.
Also for my first time. So yeah, it is exciting.
Yeah.
You know.
Because it's such a long journey, we have to get up very early in the morning, 2:30 a.m. and get ready. I made a very nice coffee because it's too early to be up anyway, so I needed the coffee coffee is essential for long trips. It provides a much needed boost of energy and focus, and also its rich aroma and warm comfort can also get rid of fatigue and enhance alertness. So I got one, and I had some couple of emails to attend to. Attended to the emails, and we are up and running. Honestly, one of the reasons why I prefer traveling very early in the morning is because psychologically it makes the journey shorter. For example, if you depart at 3 a.m. before the day breaks, you're already there, or at least halfway through the journey. So yeah, we divided the trip into 2 halves. First of all, we are heading to Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania, which is about 7 hours. Look who is excited. And here we go. We are here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We decided to lodge in a hotel and then relax before we continue the journey. So we rested for the day, and then we got up early in the morning, and we are up and running again. I think the car deserves a quick shower after 7 hours ride.
And right now we are at the city center.
The first thing we did was to drive around the city so we can appreciate the architectural design. And the one thing that's captivating is the blend of historical and modern influence in the way they built. And also, because Philadelphia is such an old city, you can still find the old tattered buildings, patched roads, and old style of architectural design, while the modern skyscrapers at the city center reflects contemporary design. So there is this nice blend between these old buildings and the modern designs that makes it absolutely gorgeous. And this is the day 2 of our trip to Philadelphia, and Arsenal came to town. Fortunately, Arsenal came to town and we get to see Arsenal play. Yeah, so we are heading to the Lincoln Financial Field Stadium in Philadelphia. It's actually just about 13 minutes drive, ideally from where we lodge, but honestly it took us about an hour 30 minutes because of the insane traffic.
So we're at the stadium, Lincoln Financial Field Stadium here in Philadelphia. My first Arsenal game. I remember my very first Arsenal match that I watched. I was in high school then in Nigeria, about 22 years ago now or thereabouts. It was Arsenal against Inter Milan. I remember I was about to sleep, and then I was like, which team is this? This red team playing with swag. And then I saw a Nigerian player, Kanu Nwankwo. From that day onward, I've never looked back. So, but this is my very first Arsenal game, and I'm really excited. I'm here with my wife. She's the camera woman behind the scene. And then, yeah, so it's going to be awesome. See you guys in the stadium. Almost 95 minutes and the game is about to end. Unfortunately, our first game will most likely end with defeat. But
I feel like Arsenal did a good job. And to begin with, we don't have our top players here. Saka's not here. Like there's so many other people that are not even here. And we played with like a lot of like Liverpool's like really good players. And we still scored one. So I mean, I feel like at the end of the day, it's a friendly. We did a good job, and it is what it is. But Liverpool, get ready. We're gonna beat you in the Premier League, okay? Come back to England, so we can probably win.
Alright. So guys, we'll be heading out of the stadium before we get stuck in the traffic. So we are going to round up very soon and see you guys very soon. back here. We were here 2 days ago, but we came slightly late because of traffic. But so we decided to come here now. So are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
So the spirit and soul of Philadelphia. Guys, we got stopped by someone now asking us if we're going to take photos.
And we literally have a
But we
camera
have
like
a
right
camera.
here.
We actually have a better camera.
Actually, we do.
And
No shade, but we
the
actually
photo
do.
costs about $40.
And why should we like give you like free money for
The
like
money when
why?
we have a much better camera.
It can make sense, but I mean it's business, so
Business, a good business.
it is what it is.